Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil and in this video we'll talk about what are variables in Python. A variable is nothing but a reserved memory location which stores values. Let us see through an example. Let's say x equals to 2. Here x is nothing but a variable which has a value 2, and if we want to add values with x, then we can simply type x plus 4. The output is 6. As x equals to 2 plus 4 is 6. So display type of variable x, just type x, that's it. Then it displays of class type int. We can also have float values. Let's say x equals to 4.5. As you can see, the variable x is of type float. We can also have complex type, say 4 plus 5j, 4 plus 5j. And if we check for the type of the variable y, then it displays complex type. We can also store strings in variables. A string is nothing but a collection of characters. We can use single quotes or double quotes to define a string. Let's say string 1 equals to Python and string 2 equals to is easy. And if you want to display string 1, just type str1. You can see the output is Python. We can use two operators along with the strings. One is plus and the other one is multiplication. Let's see how it is used. The plus operator is used to concatenate the two strings. Concatenation is nothing but adding two strings. Let's say str1 plus str2, and it prints Python is easy. While the multiplication operator is used as a repetition operator. Let's say str1 into 3 times, then it displays Python 3 times. Variables can also hold Boolean types which are true and false. True represents 1 and false represents 0. Let us see. A equals to 5 and B equals to 3. And if you want to check whether A equals to B, say A, then it displays false, which is 5 is not equals to 3. So that's it for the video guys.
I'm in love with the cocoa.